Good morning, Holley fans. I'm Scot McMillan with Scot Rods Garage. We're lucky enough that we get to build awesome cars and trucks come out here in autocross, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about these trucks. We generally use as many Holley products as we possibly can for a bunch of reasons. The biggest reason is Holley has the best products and the best product support. They answer the phone. That's the biggest reason why we use Holley, is because we can actually get help when we need it, and it never lets us down. So for hot rodding, Holley's the way to go. I got to begin this hot rod life when I was as far back as I can remember. I got pictures of me 2 years old in a '69 Camaro drag racing. We always ran Holley carburetors way back when, and that was 1985. That's transitioned into building cars in a garage with my dad. I went to the Marine Corps, and while I was in the Marine Corps, I was in Iraq, got hit by a mortar, and I realized there's nothing in life worth doing unless you're happy doing it. And I decided, you know what, I didn't have any money, didn't have any tools, but I had my uncle's space, and I started building hot rods. Then I started the shop, and now we're getting fortunate enough to build some really cool cars and trucks for everybody out here that actually use them. We do whatever the customer wants as far as LS, small block, big block, HEMI. We're getting ready to do some John Kazi big block. We're going to do a John Kazi Boss 9. We got all kinds of stuff going on in the shop, and thankfully, again, because of Holley, we're allowed to put the same fuel management systems on all the different engines, so now we only have to learn one. We get to wire them all the same way, all the colors are the same, all the diagrams are the same, and again, when we screw something up, you call Holley, and the first thing they ask you is, did you go power wire straight to the battery? And we'll go change it, and then everything works. It's magic, I don't know. So our passion at Scot Rods Garage is to build the autocross vehicles. So we do a lot of cars, and our favorite thing, we like the trucks because they're easy to fit in, easy to see out of. A lot of these trucks were free or next to free. This is actually the leftover Dodge. One of my guys, he took all the leftover parts that we had at the shop, put the truck together, and I paid for all the parts that we didn't have, and I maintained the truck, and he comes out here and wins. It's pretty hard to make sure these trucks stay going and stay top-notch ready, and then getting the drivers in them that can actually go out and win. That's difficult as well, but we were out here last weekend at an event, and we got to actually win with the green truck behind me. The Holley products is what keep us going through the whole weekend, and hopefully we'll have a bunch of trucks in the top 5.